How can we show page breaks in Google Docs? So let's scroll down and search for the gap here. The page is ending, so probably there's a page break here, but I cannot see anything. You will need to turn on View and show non-printing characters. If you click on that, now you will have this blue text saying page break. You will also see the Enter key at the end of the paragraph. For spacebar, you will see a little dot. So all of those extra characters will be shown in the blue color, but don't worry, they will be not printed. They're just for you to acknowledge what kind of formatting is applied here. So page break is here. If I select that, I can delete the page break, and look at that, two pages merged together just with the backspace. And if you want to switch it off, again, View, as you can see, show non-printing characters with this checkbox. So click on that, and now all of them disappear again. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.